This is how to prepare your perfect owo, and this is how my mom taught me how to prepare owo. If you are from Edo State, especially from Benin, you will understand what I'm trying to say, okay? So these are the ingredients that you need in your owo: tomato, onions, potash, crayfish, and oil. Very, very important. So while I was blending this tomato, I added garri, but I could not find the video where I added garri to my tomato, onions, and pepper, okay, because I blend everything together. I don't know what happened to the video. So I added white garri. I don't know if you can use yellow garri. I have never used yellow garri. I always use white garri, and that garri is optional. You can also skip it because I also prepare owo without adding garri, but adding garri will make your owo very thick. So you can use any protein of your choice. Me, I will just be using fish and big enita. That is how we call it, big enita. Big crayfish. So that is the protein I'll be using. Okay, see, using fish to prepare your owo, especially dried fish. I always use dried fish to prepare my owo. You can use any protein of your choice, okay? Like I said before, not stress yourself. Use anything when you get, take cook your owo. But make sure so you get potash, oil, tomato, onions, and crayfish. Very, very important. Okay? Now that one be the key of owo. So now so that the cook can reach. Very simple. Now my owo done ready. At this point, now I won't add my potash, which we dey call account, abi account, I don't know, but potash. So keep turning it, okay? Not let am burn. So after you don cook am finish, then you now bring it out of the heat. Let it cool down. Let it cool down. Then you will now add your oil. Then after adding the oil, you take it back to the fire. Let it cook for at least 2 minutes so that everything will marry themselves. That is how I prepare my owo, okay? So I always take it back for it to cook for 2 minutes then before I will start using it to eat whatever I want to use it to eat. So owo not be waiting I dey prepare all the time, but whenever I prepare owo for this house, everybody is so excited, everybody is happy because they know say my owo na 100/100 minus nothing. Forget, I dey tell you, I dey cook owo, forget. So have you tried owo and starch? I tried it when I was in Nigeria. That was a long time ago, guys. It came out very nice, okay? So you can use your owo to eat plantain, yam, cocoyam, and starch. It's very, very nice. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for always coming back to show me love. I appreciate every one of you. So at this point, I will tell you to have a wonderful day and see you guys on my next video. Bye for now.